purple cauliflowers are doing really nicely. Just really small at the moment. It's only a couple of centimetres across. I just hope it keeps growing once it gets a bit warmer. And as you can tell, I've got a disgusting cold. These cauliflowers are a little bit bigger, and this one is the sacrificial one, which I have left for the aphids, and they're enjoying it immensely. This is my purple Sicilian cauliflower, and it's the first one I'm going to pick. So we're going to have cauliflower and cheese sauce tonight for dinner. The broad beans and the garlic behind them are doing quite well. They don't mind the cold, frosty weather. And the silver beet is hanging in there, as is the rhubarb over at the back. It's a month since I transplanted this spinach plant, and there are signs of growth you can just see around here. Here's the site for the new chicken pen. It's actually from behind here, going back towards the existing hen house. We're still having discussions about where exactly we're going to put the fences and the hen house itself. Flour paste. It's just gone through the first 15 minutes of cooking, and shortly I'll be adding the colouring agent, which is an iron oxide, to it, along with some ferrous sulfate and ultimately some linseed oil and then some detergent. The last ingredient's gone in, and I now just need to let this cool down, and I shall be ready to start painting. There's some serious pruning happening here at the moment. Steve's just working on the grapevines, which are really wild and have grown massively. He's also been taking the top out of the olive tree so it's a manageable size for us to reach the fruit. That is, assuming we get some fruit next year. And a large section of one of our apple trees has been taken off. In fact, we've actually transplanted it into a pot because it was growing right in an area where we wanted to put our new fence for the new chook pen, and clearly we couldn't leave it there. So here it is in its pot. This one here, the one behind it, is our ginkgo tree, and that's always lived in a pot. But the apple tree here, we're just leaving it in here until we can decide what we're going to do with it. The apricot tree has also had quite a big prune. Hopefully this year will be a good year for apricots. We didn't get a lot off the tree last year. There is an apple tree just here, which, if not this year, but sometime really soon, has to come out from there. It's just never thrived, as you can see. It's growing right between the apricot tree and the fence, and it just has absolutely no chance to grow properly there.